Hi, welcome back. Let's learn how to get clear app icons on your iPhone home screen. Do you want to give your iPhone home screen a cleaner and more modern look? Well, iOS comes with a clear style that takes the glass-like design even further. Instead of the standard layered appearance, clear app icons become transparent and blend very fully with your wallpaper. The effect also extends to widgets, while the search bar, dock, and app folders already feature a translucent appearance. That said, let's get started. So first you have to long press an empty space until it enters the jiggle mode on your iPhone home screen. Then you have to hit the edit button located at the top left corner of the screen. Now you have to choose the customize option in the pop-up menu. And then you have to choose the clear option in a panel that appears at the bottom. After that, you have to choose light, dark, or auto mode depending on your needs. If your mode makes icons or app labels hard to see, tap the sun icon in the top left of the customize panel to dim the wallpaper. Note that there are two versions of the clear style. In the light mode, app icons appear semi-transparent, subtly darkening the wallpaper behind them. Both icons and widgets take on a glass-like appearance with layered text and images creating a pretty translucent effect. In dark mode, the icons remain partially transparent to use a darker background, making them stand out more while retaining the same layered, glass-like aesthetic. iOS also includes an auto option, which automatically adjusts the clear style based on your iPhone's current appearance setting. If you wish to further improve legibility, just head over to Settings, Accessibility, Display and Text Size section. Now try playing with reduced transparency and increased contrast. Keep in mind that toggling on both settings will cause the icons to lose most of their translucency. Additionally, I would also recommend you fine-tune the liquid glass effect using a dedicated slider. To do so, head over to the Settings app on your iPhone. After that, choose the Appearance option. Then select Liquid Glass. Now you can use the slider to perfectly adjust the liquid glass effect on your device. And that's all there is to it. So that's how you can easily get clear app icons on your iPhone home screen. This simple customization gives your home screen a more transparent, minimal, and futuristic appearance while allowing your wallpaper to shine through the icons and widgets. If you prefer the new glass aesthetic but want a more subtle look, you can always switch back to the default icon style. Now give both options a try and choose the look that best matches your iPhone, and I'll catch you up in the next one.